Hey guys, Small Tech Studios here today, and I'm showing you how you can set up your actual emulator with a controller or anything you want to. Today I'm using Ps4 controller, very basic, very simple, and we have Citra Nightly, which is a 3DS emulator. This should work for most emulators. It works for Destiny Emulator. I've tried it out. So Citra's a little bit different when it comes up to its whole setup and everything. But today I will show you what you have to do. So you have to go to emulation, configuration, and you have to go to your system, and you have to go to controls, and this is where you set up all your controls. So let's go over here. So this is the area where it's the buttons. So it's not that hard really, but let's set up our PS4 buttons to our liking. Now, A button. You can choose whatever you want to, but I'm just going to do X, B, or whatever. See, very simple. Now, you feel free to do this with any other one. There are actual pads like the other pad, the D-pad. Shoulder buttons are like, the back of the DS, and it's pretty simple. So we should just press OK, and let's load up our game. And just like that, it should work like a charm. You see all the buttons are working, A, 0, whatever you want to call it. Thanks for watching this video, and tune in later. Small Tech Studio out.